Hi guys, welcome to channel Fun Fix and Baby. We are looking for the soldering station under $115. It's hard for find all the accessories including the handle, the tip, the both two cylinder solder handle under $115. Today we have got a soldering station either can meet the lead, either it's the mechanic soldering station. It's hard weight and with all the accessories. Later we will install it and check their performance. Have a look how does it work. Now let's check its performance. It comes with two tips. You can use it to clean the tip. Can be replaced. Ground one. And this is its host. The sponge protects it very well. Its station comes with its stud. Now let's install it. Its handle. Install the tip. We can also use the groove to replace the tip. With another. And clean through the brass. You can fix the handle in different directions. Here. Or here. Now the handle in flip mode. Why to relieve the station, the temperature is to 330. The left is the tools, the right is power. You can see the difference again. It had replaced the sleep mode. At About menu. Though the sleep temperature is 100. you can switch the UV and adjust the temperature. There are 3 channels you can exchange between the 3 channels. The red color means it has in channel 1. Now let's check its performance.